So I started working here March of 2021. Before coming here, I was fabricating trusses. I started working here by word of mouth. George been trying to get me to come here a couple of years, so finally came. My first impression was kind of scary at first. Didn't know anyone. I was at my old job for 6 years, so I was just so used to that environment. And the labor wasn't hard. It was just getting to learn everything again. Just the people, easy to talk to, always fun. Saving to buy a house, so that's the end goal. Just senior pushing us, does our year-end goals and stuff. He keeps checking up on us and make sure we're getting stuff done. So why choose K&L's? Because we get the job done, get it done good, make sure all our trash is picked up, and yeah.